All right, box number 2 is 2012 Crown Royal. Got 4 packs, 4 hits. See if we can keep the hot hand going. All right, 2012 Crown Royal, 4 packs, 2 autos, 2 jerseys. All right, base card on front. Got a redemption right away. Have a base or a pivotal players for the Bears of Brandon Marshall, not numbered. Pivotal players, Brandon Marshall for the Bears, not numbered. Base card. So, have a green parallel for the Titans of Chris Johnson out of 49. So nice low numbered. Chris Johnson for the Titans out of 49. Nice parallel right there. And the redemption is a rookie silhouette autograph. And Ben asked for Russell Wilson. So that's who you get. Russell Wilson, rookie silhouette auto. Not sure what those are numbered out of, but nice hit. That one goes to the Seahawks. Russell Wilson, rookie silhouette auto. See if I can zoom in on the name. Sorry, my webcam doesn't like reading text, I guess. But that's Russell Wilson, rookie silhouette auto. Nice hit. On to pack number 2. Ooh, got another auto. Base. Alright. Got a insert for the Panthers. Steve Smith, Majestic Motion. Looks like this one should be numbered, but I don't see a numbering. Majestic Motion for the Panthers. For the Eagles, Michael Vick, NFL Regime. Not numbered. Michael Vick, NFL Regime, not numbered. And autograph number 2 goes to the Patriots, Donta Hightower out of 149. Donta Hightower, autograph out of 149. So decent hit for the Patriots. Pack number 3 should just have our jerseys left. And there's a jersey. So move all these. Base. Parallel base. Alright, got a parallel for the Ravens of Torrey Smith out of 149. Torrey Smith parallel out of 149. Have a insert for the Broncos, Elvis Dumervil. Elvis Dumervil for the Broncos, not numbered. And jersey card number 1 goes to the Seahawks, Robert Turbin out of 149. Robert Turbin jersey out of 149. So 2 Seahawks hits in this box. And on to the last pack. Alright. Have a parallel for the Steelers of Chris Rainey out of 399. Chris Rainey for the Steelers out of 399. Insert Majestic Motion. The other one was red. This one's probably just a regular, but both of them weren't numbered. Steve Smith Majestic Motion. And actually a third autograph. This one's for the Dolphins. Oliver Vernon out of 245. Oliver Vernon for the Dolphins out of 245. So that does it. Nice box of 2012